Hi. Welcome back. In our last class, we learnt remote access. In today's class, we will be learning network service, firewalls, DNS, mail and web services. Network services are services that are rendered through application or a software rendering services of different kinds to a network. Definition and importance of network services. Network service. This service simply refers to applications or services that are carried out or hosted in a network to provide functionality for users as well as to enhance the management of the network. Network services are essential for the smooth functioning of any IT infrastructure. 1. Enable communication. Services like DNS, DHCP, and email allow devices and users to communicate efficiently across the network. 2. Resource sharing. File servers, print services, and shared applications make it easier to share resources securely and efficiently. 3. Centralized management. Services like Active Directory enable centralized user authentication, permissions, and policy enforcement. 4. Scalability and flexibility. Network services support adding new users, devices, or locations with minimal disruption. 5. Security and access control. Services like firewalls, VPNs, and intrusion detection systems, IDS, help secure data and control access. 6. Automation and efficiency. Services like DHCP automatic IP assignment, reducing manual configuration and errors. Examples of these services: DNS services, DHCP services, print services, file services, web services, mail services. Firewalls, network security. Firewall is a network security that filters the incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Types of firewalls. 1. Packet filtering firewall. Inspects incoming and outgoing packets based on IP address, port, and protocol. Works at the network layer, layer 3. 2. Stateful inspection firewall. Tracks the state of active connections and decides whether to allow or block traffic based on the connection state. 3. Proxy firewall, application level gateway. Acts as an intermediary between users and the Internet, filtering traffic at the application layer, layer 7. 4. Next generation firewall, NGFW. Combines traditional firewall functions with advanced features like intrusion prevention, deep packet inspection, and application awareness. 5. Network address translation, NAT firewall. Masks internal IP addresses by converting them to a single public IP, adding a layer of security. 6. Cloud-based firewall, firewall as a service, FWaaS. A firewall hosted in the cloud, ideal for securing remote users and distributed networks. 7. Hardware firewall. A physical device that filters traffic between networks, commonly used at the network perimeter. 8. Software firewall. Installed on individual devices, endpoints, to control incoming and outgoing traffic on that machine. Functions of firewalls. 1. Packet filtering. Inspects packets and allows or blocks them based on predefined rules, IP, port, protocol. 2. Network traffic monitoring. Monitors and logs incoming and outgoing traffic to detect suspicious activities. 3. Access control. Restricts access to networks, systems, or resources based on rules, who can access what. 4. Protection against unauthorized access. Blocks hackers and malicious users from entering private networks. 5. VPN support. Provides secure remote access through virtual private networks. 6. Application layer filtering. Analyzes traffic at the application layer, e.g., HTTP, FTP, to block harmful content. 7. Intrusion prevention. Identifies and blocks known threats and attack patterns. 8. Network address translation, NAT. Hides internal IP addresses from external users, adding an extra layer of security. DNS Firewall Security. This refers to a security solution that blocks users from accessing malicious sites making use of the IP addresses. Challenges of DNS Firewall. For DNS traffic, all traffic within, going in and out of the network, can be logged and track traffic. Benefits of the DNS Firewall. It is highly customizable. It has low maintenance. It prevents malicious traffic. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.